Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the ELGATO CAM LINK 4K device and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install it up for your Windows PC. So, at first we have to enter our browser and we have to search for ELGATO CAM LINK, just our device. Here, as you can see, the first link we can see is Elgato from elgato.com, CAM LINK 4K. We have to click on it, and now we can see downloads. We have to click downloads here, and here is the Camera Hub 2.0 for Windows, and here we can click download, but if you are not really sure which application is yours, click on Install Your Product, Cameras, and CAM LINK 4K. As you can see here we have Camera Hub 2.0 and download, and after downloading the file, which I have downloaded, click on it and click next. Here, as you can see, I do have my application installed, but you have to just click install here or here. Then you just have to click next to agree to the terms and conditions, agree to some things, and then install. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.